Welcome back. Today we will see how to convert a binary number into decimal number using Python. Let's start with a Python. Let's create a function def binary to decimal with the argument binary number, that is value. Let's create an empty list A count equals to 0. Now binary number, that is value in integer, we need to convert it into a string and store in a variable val equals to str and value, because integer cannot be iterable and string can be iterable. For that we convert the binary number into a string. Now apply a for loop for I in string, that is val, and let's create a new variable m equals to which store a to the power index of the each digit in a binary number. For that we use a exponent function, exponent to the power x, that is count. Count here is the index of each digit in a binary number, and count plus 1 equals to 1. This will increase by 1. Okay, before that let's create a exponent function def exponent n comma power, that is x. It will return n to the power x. Okay, we're done here. Now let's understand it with the example. We have a binary number 1010. Now the exponent function will return us to the power 3 plus to the power 2 plus to the power 1 plus to the power 0, that is 8421, and then we will multiply this in with the individual digit. Okay, for example 8 into 1, 4 into 0, 2 into 1 and 1 into 0. Let's see, here we multiply exponent into first digit and similarly other digits. Here we get the output this 8 into 1 8 and 4 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2 and 0 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 0 0. Here we get the output 10. We will implement this now. Okay, let's see what we get from the exponent function. Print m. Now here we call the function print def binary to decimal, binary to decimal with a binary value 1010. Okay, let's see. Here, as we seen before, we get the output of binary number 1248, and before that we must iterate the element in reverse order. So we reverse the val by slicing -1 dash bracket close here. Okay, we're done here. Now we will see a multiplication with each digit. For that we use new variable p equals to m, that is exponent into individual digit, that is I, int I here. Now we will append this p in a empty list a dot append p. Done here. Now we iterate through a list A for I in A. Okay, let's first sum number. Create a variable sum number equals to 0. Here sum number plus 1 equals to I. Done here. Now this binary to decimal function return a decimal number, that is sum number. Let's change it decimal number. Okay, decimal number, decimal number. Done here. Let's see what we get in the output. Here 10. Let's comment this print m. We done with our code. Here we get the output 10 of decimal number 1010. Let's take the decimal number input from the user. X equals to int input, enter binary, enter binary number. Okay, see, remember here we use int because inside a function we have converted the int value into a string, so we must use a int here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, before that let's pass a argument here x. Now run. Let's pass a binary number 1010. Here we get a decimal 10. Let's see 1111, get 15. Let's see 100, we get 4. We're done with our conversion from binary to decimal. That's all.